Track 17. Miss Chan is talking to the class now. Listen carefully and answer question 1. You have 10 seconds to study the question. Listen carefully. The talk will begin now. Good morning, class. Today, we're going to learn how to paint fruit with watercolour. You need to finish painting 3 kinds of fruit by the end of the lesson today. Track 18. Listen to the second half of the talk. Listen carefully and answer question 2. You have 10 seconds to study the question. Listen carefully. The talk will begin now. You may use red to paint an apple, and you may paint a lemon using yellow. You may also mix these 2 colours to paint an orange.